Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10 Max, and today I would like to show you how we can set up Face Unlock on this tablet. First of all, go into Settings, scroll down and choose Security. Now tap on Face Key section over here and choose Continue. Following that, you need to select Agree in Disclaimer pop-up and enter your current screen lock. Then just continue over here and remember to keep your face in frame. Now you need to select Turn On to enable Face Key at the bottom right corner and adjust all of those settings however you wish to by tapping on those switchers next to all of those features. You can also remove face data over here. Then when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!